You have probably heard about elderberry and how it can boost your immune system function to help fight off viral diseases such as colds and the flu. But there are so many more important benefits to taking elderberry and elderflower that you need to know about. By the end of this video, you will realize that elderberry and elderflower aren't just for respiratory infections. Elderberry and elderflower have been used for hundreds of years, either alone in teas, syrups, or tinctures, or in combination with other herbs to treat many illnesses. Traditionally, elderflower has been used as an antiviral, but it is also used to help a fever, get rid of excess fluid from the body, and to help soothe dry skin. Other viral infections that elderflower may help your body fight off include measles, chickenpox, fifth disease, and that new one going around. Elderflower has been shown to be not only antiviral, but antibacterial, supporting your immune system function to fight off bacterial invaders such as staph infections. Adding peppermint to elderflower tea can cause diaphoresis or sweating to help decrease a fever. Elderberry syrup has been used for constipation and arthritis, in addition to its antibacterial and antiviral actions. Elderberry extract has been shown to fight cold sores caused by herpes simplex virus. It is also anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, may fight gum disease, and possibly fight some types of cancer. Studies have shown that it decreases the duration of influenza A and B by up to 4 days by interfering with the ability of the virus to reproduce itself. Oh, and elderberry syrup tastes really good. If you've been exposed to someone who has the cold or the flu, the sooner you begin taking elderberry syrup, the better. 1 tablespoon or 15 milliliter of the syrup 3 times daily may help you from getting sick at all. If you're starting to have symptoms, you should change the dose to 1 teaspoonful every hour while you are awake for the first 72 hours. Then 1 tablespoon every 8 hours until all the symptoms are gone. If you choose to use the tincture, mix 1 teaspoonful in 4 ounces of water and drink this 4 to 6 times a day until all the symptoms are gone. To use the flowers to treat a fever, steep 1 heaping teaspoon and 1 heaping teaspoon of dried peppermint in 8 ounces of hot water for 20 minutes. Then slowly sip over 30 minutes as needed for fever. This should cause you to sweat. You can repeat the elderflower peppermint tea every 8 hours as needed. If you're learning something new, please hit that like button. By the way, use only the berries from the black elderberry plant, or Sambucus nigra, as the red berries can be toxic. Also, the black elderberries should not be consumed raw, as they can cause nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, abdominal cramps, and weakness. Cooking or dehydrating the berries prevents this. Elderberry syrup is available commercially, or you can make your own at home. You can purchase dried elderberries or find a patch and pick your own. To make elderberry syrup, take 1 cup of fresh berries or 1/3 cup of dried berries and add to 3 cups of water in a pan. To this, add 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cloves, and 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger. Simmer this mixture for 1 hour or until the liquid is reduced by 1/2. You should end up with about 1.5 cups of liquid. Remove the pan from the heat and allow it to come to nearly room temperature, then add 1.5 cups of honey. Do not add the honey to the hot liquid because the medicinal properties of honey will be destroyed by the heat. Wait until it comes to almost room temp. This mixture can be kept in the refrigerator for up to a month. During cold and flu season, you may want to take a tablespoon of elderberry syrup every day as a preventative against any virus you don't know that you've been exposed to. As always, if you are pregnant or nursing, if you use prescription medications or have a chronic health condition, always check with your healthcare provider to make sure that any herb you are interested in using is safe for your particular circumstance. While there are no well-documented drug interactions between elderberry, elderflower, and prescription medications, it may increase the effects of some blood pressure medications, injected insulin, and some chemotherapy medications. Also, laxatives may work better than you really wanted them to. As long as the berries are not eaten raw, there are usually no side effects. If you found this information helpful but want more information on how herbs can help you live a healthier life, click here. Thank you for joining me today to learn about the benefits of elderberry and elderflower. Stay healthy, make sure those berries are cooked, and have a blessed week.